Oh, hey, didn't see you there. And welcome back to the Jen and Thomas YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the Boulevardier cocktail, originally a Parisian cocktail, first appearing in print in 1927 in the book Barflies and Cocktails. Let's get right into it. This cocktail is going to be all equal parts American rye whiskey or bourbon, Campari, and sweet vermouth. Most recipes actually say to use bourbon, but I prefer rye. And so what I like to do personally is we're gonna wanna start with our least expensive ingredient first. That way, if you screw something up, if you have to dump it out, you're not losing out on anything too valuable. We are going to start with 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, 1 ounce of Campari, brand new bottle for you, only freshest for my loyal viewers. Finally, 1 ounce of our rye whiskey. Today we're going with the Rittenhouse Rye Bottled and Bond, my personal favorite mixing rye whiskey. And uh-oh, I forgot my ice. All right, whoops. And so normally some people put their ice in first. I prefer to add my hand-flavored ice second, or just when I remember. This drink is going to be served in a chilled coupe rather than on a rock. And you may have noticed that this is awfully similar to a Negroni. I don't quite know if this is made as a riff on a Negroni or if it was developed separately, but they are very similar. Same, proportions. All you're doing is changing out the gin for some whiskey. And so for our cocktail, we're gonna stir it for about 30-ish seconds to get the dilution and chilled cocktail. Here we go. Get our julep strainer. Pour into a chilled cocktail. And then we are going to want to garnish with an expressed orange peel. Some people like to do the long ones. I kind of like doing these little coin size ones that you just express it over the drink, kind of line the rim with it, let it in there. And there you go, the Boulevardier. Smells delicious and orangey. If you're a fan of a Negroni, I have a good feeling that you're gonna be a fan of this. And if you'd like to hear our thoughts on the drink, please tune in to the Jen and Thomas podcast for more recipes just like this. Thank you. Yes, I'm gonna butterfly, baby. Does that look cool in the edit? No? Okay.
That's going in the bloopers.
Don't leave me